Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that the market is very scattered. Specifically, if we talk about the meme tokens, you can see Shiba is up, Doge is up, but then when you talk about WIF, Flocky, everything is down. Now, if we talk about Dogecoin specifically, you guys can see the trading volume is just above the $2 billion mark. And at the same time, let's just say there is a Bitcoin address, Ethereum address that's been already implemented into X. Bullish momentum is breaking the Dogecoin and $1 might be coming in very soon. And the largest holder just bought a huge bag. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. Just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, they decide to buy into it. It starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profit. Just make sure you help with the social engagement, because if we can keep the social engagement of Dogecoin extremely high, all the whales are going to be paying attention to Dogecoin. What's going to happen after that? The whales buy it and then it starts spiking up. I mean, the best example is this one. If you guys do not know, this is the largest holder of Dogecoin, and if you guys have been paying attention to their transaction volume, you can see the middle of March, they decided to sell close to $200 million worth of Dogecoin. At the end of March, they sold another $300 million worth of Dogecoin. So in total, $500 million worth of Dogecoin was sold around the zone, which was 18 cents over here. Then you can see it was 14 cents when we saw the dip, and then when the market made it to 22 cents. But when the market took a reverse this time and made it to the 18 cent zone, you can see that this whale decided to buy back some. What I'm trying to say is they bought back around $200 million worth of Dogecoin. This shows you that last time when we made it to 18 cents, they decided to sell. But this time, this dip, they believe that this could be a reversal that we will be getting very soon. And keep in mind, this whale has made a profit of just about $4 billion of just off Dogecoin. So they know what they're doing and they know what they will be expecting. Also, the bullish thesis is breaking very strongly as the accumulation phase is breaking the Dogecoin accumulation, because there's just so many whales which are buying in so much, and $1 price seems way too close compared to what a lot of people are saying, as maybe it is too far. But keep in mind, now the accumulation phase which we were being in for just about 2 years now has been broken, and just before 2025 we expect it to be at $1. I do want to mention something else. Sir Dogecoin, if you guys do not know who he is very well known in the Dogecoin community with over 250,000 followers on Twitter. I've had the Bitcoin and Ethereum tipping feature on my profile active since its implementation, yet I have never received a single tip nor heard of anyone using them. Meanwhile, the Doge community has been utilizing third-party apps like My Doge to send and receive Dogecoin every day on X. If X eventually embraces crypto, it only makes sense to support the one that's most likely to be used. I mean, this makes sense, right? Because Bitcoin and Ethereum has been part of his, his ecosystem for a very long time, but no one has ever sent him anything. Now, thanks to whoever just sent me this Ethereum to prove a point. But what is really interesting, you guys need to pay attention to, is with Dogecoin, even with the third-party apps, there is a lot of people, trying to use it. Now, I noticed in the comment section, a lot of you guys are talking about Sky. Could you just give us your opinion in terms of what should be a good price for buying points? Well, let me just tell you what are some important supports. If you do not know, support just means that would be a very good time to buy. First of all, 17.5 cents. That's a very good support that we are sitting on. Now, keep in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you guys my perspective. If we do decide to break below this, the next important support zone that you should be paying attention to should be close to 15 cents, because at 15 cents we will be able to see another very important support that has been tested previously. As you guys can see over here, over here, and over here. Even when we saw the initial spike, that was the time when the overall Dogecoin market was climbing. Just keep in mind the overall market is still in a positive trend, but if there is a little bit of a breakout from the support, we might be going down to the previous support, which I would say is close to 15 cents. These could be 2 points where you could be paying attention to and trying to DCM, pretty much, you know, just bring down your average buy price. Now, if you talk about the resistance that we will be facing when going up, well, the simple first resistance that you should be paying attention should be close to 20 cents, because now we have broken below that. Now the next time when we try to go above, there will be a lot of whales which will take a lot of profit at that point. Now, if we talk about the trading volume, is down 20% again. Now Doge is no longer the 8th most traded crypto. It has fallen down to 10th. Now keep in mind, this does not mean anything bad is about to happen, or this is the time when you should try to sell and just take profit. Just keep in mind, in general, there is still so much left for the Dogecoin bull market. Also, if you pay attention to this, there is so many articles which are talking about Dogecoin heading to $12. Where did those forecast Dogecoin to 69 and Dogecoin to 420 go? Now, why is everyone talking about $12? Like, it just doesn't make sense to me as I'm trying to figure out what is happening. An inactive Dogecoin account holding 3.7 million Dogecoin worth 662,000 woke up after a 10-year break. Dogecoin is going to be on the 20th of April, or Doge Day is going to be on the 20th of April, and a lot of people are talking about how this could be a sign that we might be seeing a positive trend very soon. Now, Doge is running in the cycle of 7 years, and the 7-year cycle is about to break this time. Now, when we break above the 7-year cycle, we are on the 22 cents, and you can see the next stop should be close to $2, connecting the dots from before. Is it on-chain matrix reveal an ideal moment to buy Dogecoin? I mean, the ideal moment is pretty much right now. As I mentioned, those supports are going to be very, very important. Despite the recent drop, it's positioned for favorable accumulation zone. Investors' profit or loss status suggests that Doge is too risk for the buying, and Dogecoin's 7-day ratio stands at 7.55%, indicating many holders are at loss, a condition that historically a recovery phase usually follows, because those people will try to buy and try to average out their buy price. Dogecoin remarkable price journey. I mean, the price journey, if you just take a look at how we have reacted, I feel like everyone's saying that, oh, Doge is now in the downtrend. But if you just pay attention to where we were at the start of the year and where we are right now, not even at the start of the year, at the end of February to where we have gotten till this point, it should give you a perspective. We have a long way to go. Now, Dogecoin, why Dogecoin price is dropping despite the meme coin mania? Well, just keep in mind the whole market took a really strong pullback, and that was one of the reasons why Doge also took a pullback. And that's exactly what is happening right now. Just staying in a consolidation zone will make a huge difference, and we just need to make sure that we do not fall for the trap where all the whales will try to take all your money. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, stay subscribed, and I'll see you very soon.